The movable shade that can be installed under the roof is quite easy to install. The video shows the roof without the transparent polycarbonate covering. Installation is just a few steps. First, attach the turnbuckle to one end of the wire rope. Put the clamp on, then the tensioner, then loop it back and tighten with the screw. Fix it firmly, tighten the screws well. Thread the screws into the pre-drilled locations. Make sure that the tip of the screw does not stick out on the other side. Attach the screw part to the higher point of the roof. Position it in the center and drive in the screw. Make sure the wire rope is between the blind and the beam. On the opposite beam, measure the location of the hooks. Drill it out. Screw in the hooks. Hook the pre-made tension line into the hook. Secure it with a string on the other side. Now we will make the other loop as well. Measure the location of the loop. Make the other loop using the clamp. Hang it up. Cut the temporary attachment. All that's left is to tighten the wire rope. To prevent it from rotating, fasten it with a screwdriver. The movable shade is ready.